We're surrounded by compelling design, and our home is our most important space. Our time is spent creating safe, comfortable environments for our families. But there's a product in our home that hasn't been improved in over 100 years. The toilet brush is filthy. It drips on the floor and is full of bacteria. It's often covered in toxic chemicals, which are dangerous for children, and using one is never pleasant. The only alternative are flushable pads, which look cheap and cost over $100 a year in refills. They're also terrible for the environment because they're made in factories, packaged and shipped around the world, only to be thrown away with each use. The Lugan is a groundbreaking solution for keeping the bathroom hygienic. It's simple to use, requires no installation, and cleans the toilet with a powerful spray of clean water. Its neutral design suits any bathroom, and as it never touches the toilet, it stays clean and safe for children. The powerful motor delivers the perfect level of power to clean above and below water, and is designed to ensure there is no splashback. It cleans submerged surfaces with a sharp spray, and the simple design means anyone can use it. The reservoir holds a full 300 ml of clean water. It detaches with a simple click and can be filled under any tap in just a few seconds. It comes with a floor stand to sit neatly next to the toilet, and the 4 AA batteries will last for around 9 months if you use it once a day.
Heading out to tackle the world. Phone, wallet, cool car, and a nice umbrella. With an automatic open and close button, weather forecast reminder, and a built-in anti-loss function. Introducing the Has umbrella. No more fuss, no more mess. Just the push of a single button to fully open or close. No more struggle after a rainy day. And the best part, you'll never lose your umbrella ever again. With embedded Bluetooth technology, you'll be notified by your cell phone if you forget your umbrella. So you'll never lose it again. With an intelligent weather forecast reminder, the app reminds you if there's rain, high UV, or even more. With the Has umbrella, you'll never get wet.
This is the LightPulse cable. What makes our product stand out is our patented visible current technology in our charging and data cables. You're watching in real time the electrical current powering up your device. As your device charges to its full capacity, the current will slow down and the light will shut off when your battery reaches 100%. The idea for the LightPulse cable was born when we discovered a new technology that allows you to visually see the rate at which your device charges. Our team at Pilot Electronics ran with the idea, and we went from merely a concept to developing a final product in a matter of months. Our initial line of products was well received by our consumers, but as we're always looking to improve, we asked our community for feedback. From this experience, one of our more common feedbacks was to create a longer cable, and one that works with your gaming consoles. Whether you're playing on your PS4 or Xbox, on your phone charging by your bedside, or on your mobile device in the car, the new electroluminescent cable allows for a more convenient use.
This is the Stone. It's modern, cutting-edge technology in a small package. Also, it has a button. What does it do? Well, the Stone tags your stuff, so you can find them later. It even has a motion sensor, so you can tell when it moves. One moment. Since the motion tracker is proximity-based, it can notify you when it leaves. And when it returns.
It even has a temperature sensor, so you can tell how hot your car is in the morning.
All right. Enough about the Stone. Let's talk about the button. You can press the button to do anything.
Anything?
Well, almost anything.
Like get me a pizza?
Sure. You can even call a friend. Himmy, pizza party, my place. You can also take a selfie. With IFTTT, the possibilities are endless. You can even tell it to do different things at different times of the day. Or you can flip it to smart mode, and it will figure out what you want. The Pebble Bee Stone is the perfect way to organize and simplify your life.